YouTube, back with a video. Finna bust down this header panel 86 boy. You know, clean her up, maybe throw a little primer, smooth her out. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep the headlights in. Maybe not. Maybe so. I don't know. Depends. But yeah, man. Working. See these old. I got some of those engine horses. Well, not engine horses. Those little. Whatever. You know what the fuck I'm talking about. But I'm using these jack stands to pop up. You know what I mean? Front yard shit. Well, apartment thugging shit. So I'm about to see what I can do. About to wash her down, clean her off, scuff her up. Try to see if I can get this body roll game going. You feel me? Shout out to Spray White. Finna see if some of them let me see if some of those watching them videos pay off real quick. Yeah, it is. Bet. Turn y'all back on. All cleaned up. A little minute, this last minute. Water up out of here. Turn y'all back on. Back at it, man. You gotta give respect to these body guys, man. Trial and error, man. Trial and error. Trial and error, man. I'm enjoying it. It's a lot of work. Make sure y'all be safety first. Safety is the key. You can tell somebody did some body work already on this. But you know, it's my first time, so I got extra parts laying around, so boom. I ain't done with it. Got a whole lot more. Just keeping y'all updated. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Got it scuffed up. Took out all the trimming pieces with all little pieces. Try to do it the spray way. It ain't gonna be the spray way, but man, scuffed up pretty good, pretty smooth. Yeah, getting there in. Turn y'all back on. That first coat, had to flip it up, down, all around, but it ain't perfect. But it's the beginning, it's the start. So I got some body fill over there. I see some dents and scratches and cracks and shit like that, but you know, I ain't fixing no cracks. But yeah, man. Turn y'all back on when think that I'm finished. But yeah, man, just some practicing. It's going on some, trust me, but it's practice. Good job, Eric. Good job. Pat on the back. We're complete. I put the old stuff back in there because you know, I don't want to put the new stuff in there until I send the car to the painter body, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna go over whatever I went over. But whatever, man. Just me practicing. Looks pretty damn good. I'm not getting in close because I see imperfections already. But whatever. You know what I'm saying? Well, fuck it. We getting in close. Nah, man. Tell y'all thank me, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna try to keep posting up, man. Posting up. Appreciate y'all looking.